If you thought losing thigh fat is a distant dream because you don't like going to the gym, jogging, exercising, then I've got just the perfect workout for you. This is a 7-minute lower body, thigh and hip workout to reduce all that flab. Yes, you heard that right. In the comfort of your home, sitting right on your bed, I'm going to teach you easy exercises which you can lose your thigh and hip fat in no time doing bed exercises. Aren't you excited? Well, so am I. Let me get you started. A few things to remember before we start. Firstly, you need to work out on a hard bed. Make sure it's not too soft so it doesn't get too comfortable, and at least there's some cushioning for you and your back. It doesn't hurt. The second point, you have to keep your spine straight at all times when you're laying and doing these exercises. The third point, you have to keep your core tight. You have to make sure your stomach is tucked in at all times and your glutes are also tucked in. Plus, your thighs will be all tight while you're doing this exercise. And if you wish, you can do these exercises morning, evening, anytime, even twice a day. I actually benefited from these exercises in the comfort of my own home because I used to feel shy going to the gym. That's when I invented these exercises without any running, without any jogging, without huffing and panting, because I often used to make a fool of myself when I used to go running or jogging because I hardly had any stamina to do so. But these exercises came to my rescue and I'm sure they're going to help you too. Finally, it's time to start our amazing and easy workout. Let's go! So are you ready? I'm laying in bed already with my favorite pillow. It's not time to watch TV but to do some exercises. So what we are going to do is we're going to squeeze a pillow right between our thighs and give it all the strength we can and tone up all the weak muscles which we have developed over the years or months by not exercising. So I have already finished one squeeze, and when I'm going to squeeze, I'm going to tuck my tummy in, as you can see, and I'm going to pull my glutes also in, plus I'm going to hold it for the count of 10 and release. Now this is a very easy and effective way of reducing your inner thighs. You can do it about 10 to 15 times anytime you're laying in bed. Don't waste time. Always use it to your benefit. If the pillow is slipping out, pull it up again. I can feel the burn. I'm sure you can too. Do let me know in the comment section which one of these exercises you've enjoyed doing the most. Moving on to the next exercise. Do you know, when I was highly obese, my favorite position in bed to watch my favorite show on TV was this. But hardly did I know that this position could even help me lose weight. So I have managed to keep my elbow right perpendicular to my body and my shoulder as well. And my spine is absolutely straight. I'm not going to go backwards or forwards. My shoulder will be in line with my body and it's going to be absolutely straight, one line. Then I'm going to pull my toes in and I'm going to lift one leg just like this, not very high, about 45 to 50 degrees, and hold it. And I'm going to bring it down slowly. The key when you're doing these exercises is to do it slowly. The slower you do it, the more effective it's going to be, because you're actually pulling together your whole body strength to hold it up there at that very position with your toes pulled in, and then bring it down slowly. So I suggest you do about 10 counts each with each leg, and you will notice a severe change which is going to shock you. You have to pull your leg in like this and then lift it up. Again, we are going to do slow and steady movements, nothing too fast. We're going to concentrate that we have pulled our stomach in, our spine is straight, glutes are tight, and so are our thighs. You will notice you would have started feeling the burn already in your thighs. This is not just good for thighs but also for your side belly fat. Now, who would have known that laying in bed has its special benefits if you know exactly what to do? So don't forget to reap the benefits. Watch this video right till the end, and I'm sure you will thank me after this. The next exercise is again very easy. You have to fold your leg like this. Even if you're not able to bring it up to your next knee, never mind. You can bring it here, wherever. But I suggest you keep this leg perpendicular and then you lift the other leg. Your toe will be tucked in. Spine straight at all times, and lift your leg up. If you want, you can hold it at that position, count till 5, and then bring it down slowly. Do this exercise with both the legs about 10 to 15 times every single day. For the next exercise, we are going to make circles in this very position with this leg. Small circles, not very big, and you will soon start feeling the burn. So don't forget to do the other side. I'm only showing you one side, and I'm hoping you're going to lose your full body fat, and especially your thigh fat, and you're going to tighten and tone those muscles. For the next exercise, we are going to flap our legs back and forth, but we have to be very careful that our spine is straight at all times. We're not going to swing our body. This is absolutely wrong. I want you to keep your upper half absolutely straight and steady, and then swing your lower part. Yes, that's when you will feel the burn, just like how I can. Gosh, my thighs are on fire. I just hope that you do this every single day along with me, and you will see magnificent results at the end of this. And I am always there to help you. This is so good for your glutes and your thighs. And with this, we've come to the end of a very special hips and thighs workout in bed. I'm sure you have enjoyed watching it, and do let me know in the comment section which exercise was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.